Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Whether you're planning to purchase a property to reside in or as an investment opportunity, you might be considering using an LLC, limited liability company, as the purchasing entity, rather than your name. While it's a feasible approach, the process can be rather complex and may not be beneficial for all circumstances. Your purpose for buying the property will substantially factor in whether utilizing an LLC is the right strategy for you. In this video, we explore the advantages, disadvantages, and intricacies of acquiring a house through an LLC. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to BZ. BZ is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of BZ is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. What is an LLC? An LLC is a separate legal entity that combines the concepts of a corporation and a partnership, offering liability protection for its owners, also called members, while maintaining a flexible management structure. The LLC structure can be beneficial for the ownership and management of real estate properties for various reasons. Who should consider buying a house with an LLC? Not everyone needs a fancy business setup to buy a house, but listen up if you are renting out your house. An LLC can protect your personal belongings if someone gets hurt on the property. Flipping houses, this business structure shields your personal stuff from problems if something goes wrong with a house you're fixing up. Thinking about big bucks, even wealthy people can benefit from the extra protection an LLC provides. Now, let's discuss how to buy a house with an LLC. Here are the steps you'll need to take to buy a house with an LLC. Step 1. Establish a limited liability company. Before purchasing a house, you must first set up your LLC. This involves choosing a name for your LLC that is unique and hasn't been registered in the state where the property is located. You'll also need to file articles of organization with the state's Secretary of State office along with the required filing fee. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using BZ, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services BZ provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, BZ is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. BZ is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. BZ is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, BZ will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the BZ dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, BZ will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Step 2. Obtain an employer identification number. You'll need a unique EIN from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to allow your LLC to pay taxes and be recognized as a distinct legal entity. Step 3. Open a bank account for the LLC. It's essential to create a separate bank account for your LLC, as this will help maintain a clear line between your personal and business finances. This is crucial for tax and liability purposes. Step 4. Choose the property. Search for a suitable residential property that meets your investment objectives and preferences. This may involve working with a real estate agent, researching the local real estate market, and analyzing factors such as neighborhood growth potential, nearby amenities, and the long-term outlook of the area. Step 5. Funding the LLC. You can fund the LLC through personal funds, loans, or investments from other members of the LLC. If you require additional financing, consider approaching lenders who specialize in working with investment properties and LLC borrowers. Step 6. Make an offer through the LLC. Once you have identified a suitable property, present an offer to the seller using the LLC's name as the purchaser. Working closely with a real estate attorney or an experienced real estate agent is highly recommended to ensure all legal requirements are met and the transaction is properly executed. Step 7. Conduct due diligence. Once your offer has been accepted, thoroughly inspect the property for any potential issues, such as structural damage or outstanding liens. You may want to engage a professional inspector and a title company to conduct thorough assessments of the property's condition and title, respectively. Step 8. Close the transaction. Work with an experienced real estate attorney or agent to finalize the transaction, ensuring that the LLC is listed as the property owner on all relevant documents. This includes the deed, mortgage agreement, if applicable, and any other necessary legal documents. Step 9. Register your property. After closing the transaction, register your property with the appropriate local government office to ensure that your LLC is formally recognized as the legal owner. Additionally, update your LLC's records to reflect the property's purchase and document any corresponding loans or investments. Last and finally, Step 10. Manage the property as an LLC-owned asset. As part of your LLC's activity, implement a management structure to oversee the property, which may involve hiring a property management company, selecting tenants, and maintaining records for tax and accounting purposes. By purchasing and managing the property through an LLC, you can protect your personal assets and limit personal liability associated with owning the property. A common question arises: can you transfer a property you already own to an LLC? Yes, you can buy a property in your name and then transfer the title to an LLC later on. However, before doing so, there are some things to keep in mind. Owning your house through an LLC can offer advantages, and you can even transfer an existing house to an LLC. Just be sure to talk to your lender about your mortgage terms to avoid surprises. Check your insurance to see if it covers LLC ownership. Consider potential transfer taxes in your area. Buying a house with an LLC can be a smart financial move for investors looking to protect their personal assets and share the costs and risks of purchasing a property. However, the decision to form an LLC should not be taken lightly, as it comes with its own set of challenges and potential disadvantages. If you're thinking of buying a house with an LLC, consider partnering with BZ to help manage your finances and keep your business running smoothly. When it comes to making smart financial decisions, it always pays to have a little help from the experts. Forming an LLC sounds complicated and expensive, but using an entity formation service guides you through the process so you know it was done right. Most popular service is BZ, renowned for its free service. For just $0 plus state fees, clients can enjoy preparing and filing the articles of organization with a complimentary registered agent service for the first year. This comprehensive package not only ensures top-notch privacy safeguards but also provides excellent value for money. With BZ, customers can rest assured that their easy, fast, and effective service, allowing them to focus on their business endeavors with confidence.